As the financial year comes to an end, experts predict and prices fluctuate. Emotions are in flight. We have the chief executive officer of Ripple Labs taking to Twitter with a long thread to mark the passing of exactly a year since the SEC sued Ripple and its top 2 executives. Fast forward to a year after, the fintech startup has grown into a decacorn firm, registering giant strides to a point where it's been endorsed as the most suitable cryptocurrency in the entire central bank digital currency space. At the same time, experts foretell a period when Ripple would monopolize the Swift market. And just as stated in our previous video, should Ripple take the bulk of Swift's market share in terms of global remittances, the price of XRP could be well placed within the $10,000 to $35,000 mark. But would XRP ever hit $35,000? Well, stay tuned to the end of this video to find out. Thanks for watching Make Money Online. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on post notifications as well. We'll be right back after this.
GSX is an unprecedented financial asset that combines the best elements of a traditional investment with the backing of a stablecoin and the use cases of many of the largest decentralized currencies like XRP.
Following the launch of the XRP token in 2012, the cryptocurrency was stable until early 2017, when the sideways movement was eventually halted. By the end of 2017, its price skyrocketed by more than 35,000%. Then, sometime during the first week of January 2018, the price of XRP peaked at an all-time high to about $3.40. A success story that was achieved through the company's acquisition of partnership agreements with over 100 banks worldwide that joined the Ripple network at the time. However, it couldn't sustain those levels, after which it dipped to lower lows within the subsequent month. Such factors as the fear of regulatory reforms in the Asian market contributed to the price of XRP plummeting. This factor affected the XRP coin and other cryptocurrencies across the board, during which the total market valuation of cryptocurrencies declined by almost 43%. And even to date, the crypto industry continues to suffer such setbacks, which has hampered a broader adoption in the digital asset class. Much like the recent downtrend, which has been ongoing with the back and forth since the start of the year, especially in February when we had a steep decline following Facebook's ban on cryptocurrency advert placements and ICOs. On that same trend, U.S. financial regulators continued in their clampdown on crypto-related firms as they went on to file more lawsuits against cryptocurrency exchange platform Bitfinex and stablecoin giants Tether. The most recent is the lawsuit threat issued by the financial regulators to the largest crypto exchange platform in the U.S. Even as the SEC lawsuit drags on, the crypto remittance settlement company has continued to register significant breakthroughs, similar to those recorded in 2017. Moreover, it's no news that the regulatory scuffle engrossed in between the SEC and Ripple Labs doesn't only affect XRP, since the move wasn't only targeted against Ripple, but the entire cryptocurrency industry, despite the general conception that the move is specifically against Ripple Labs and its topmost executives. Because we have the United States Securities and Exchange Commission deeming both Bitcoin and Ethereum to be non-investment securities, yet pronouncing XRP, which is similar to these other cryptos, as a security. On that note, you could agree with me that the basis of this lawsuit isn't based on fair judgment by the SEC. Through the course of the filing of the SEC lawsuit against Ripple Labs, and in addition to Jake Layton joining a Bitcoin and Ethereum hedge fund right after filing a lawsuit against Ripple, several other high-ranking SEC officials, such as the Commission's former Director of Corporation Finance, William Hinman, moving on to enter into partnerships with some of the firms believed to be under scrutiny, such as the Ethereum Alliance. A move that's attracted the attention of external auditors and private researchers known as the Empower Oversight Whistleblowers and Research Group, who filed a new complaint against the SEC to compel compliance with the Freedom of Information Act, including obtaining access records maintained by the SEC. These records at issue concern the potential conflict of interest by these high-ranking SEC officials regarding cryptocurrencies. However, one thing is for sure, with such allegations levied against the SEC, Ripple and XRP stand a better chance of winning the lawsuit. Since the SEC seems to be under scrutiny, this doesn't speak well for the agency's image and credibility going farther into the future. Nonetheless, suppose the claims against Ripple Labs can't be proven true, seeing as the SEC has failed to clarify its initial allegations. In that case, the court of public opinion may obligate the Commission to shut the case down against the fintech startup and end the investigation. When that happens, the value of XRP is going to soar to more extraordinary highs. As more of these alliances are formed with more and more financial agencies joining Ripple's global network of financial institutions, otherwise referred to as RippleNet, the crypto payment settlement company connects users to various financial institutions worldwide with the sole aim to improve the efficiency of borderless transactions across the globe. This adoption of the Ripple network would mean adopting the protocol that utilizes the XRP token to power its platform operations. That means XRP would be exchanging more hands in a bid to acquire the token while paying for the platform's services and gas fees measured in XRP coins. In that same light, as more customers utilize its XRP cryptocurrency and other products developed by Ripple for monetary-related transactions, Ripple and XRP credibility increases after that. Following a publication by the company a few months back in October, the company announced the expansion of its on-demand liquidity outreach, during which it indicated that ODL customers can now access over 20 countries through the world to meet their payment needs. According to the report, the number of cross-border transactions through the firm's ODL corridors has surged by more than 25 times over the past year. A move that is likely going to place the Securities and Exchange Commission and probably the United States Congress on their toes towards the regulation of this asset class, which is now under consideration. This trend may pave the way for a swift resolution to the ongoing legal tussle over whether XRP is a security or a crypto. Particularly, the CEO of Ripple agrees with the assertion that 2021 is by far the company's strongest year ever. With RippleNet experiencing its best year-to-date growth, with enormous growth globally, XRP has also registered some significant upswing. As the Ripple chief went on to highlight, those transactions via RippleNet have more than doubled since the third quarter of 2020. So essentially, Ripple's ODL transactions have increased by 130% quarter over quarter, as these ODL transactions accounted for 25% of the total transaction volume registered throughout the network in the third quarter. Over time, we've come to hear that from investors over and over again. I wish I'd bought Amazon or Netflix when they were a lot cheaper, and recommended by Anders Bylund and the Motley Fool. I'd be sitting on a gold mine. Well, that is true. But if you missed out on that, don't be dismayed. An even more fantastic opportunity lies waiting for you in the form of a Ripple coin. While Amazon and Netflix have had a good run from that time onward, XRP still has potential to make its early investors millionaires and possibly even billionaires when the lawsuit settles and when the platform is fully functional. So, XRP is screaming for the buys. The best part is, you can get them now for less than $1 a coin. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on bell notifications. We also have a free Discord group where we share daily signals, and now you can also support us on Patreon. We have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for our VIP Discord channels, where we share much more in-depth analysis and even one-on-one sessions. And make sure you check out the GSX competition for your chance to win big. Links are below, and if you have any questions, drop us a comment. And we'll see you next time.
That's how it goes. Hollywood person.